Struggling to start your diesel engine in the cold? Here's a trick that can make all the difference. When temperatures drop, the engine's combustion process can slow down due to the cold air. That's where the flame start method comes in. A small hole is drilled into the engine's intake pipe, and a controlled flame is used to warm up the incoming air. This increases the air temperature, which helps the diesel burn more efficiently in the engine's cylinders. As a result, the engine starts up quickly, even in freezing conditions. It's a lifesaver for older diesel engines, ensuring they fire up without a hitch.